Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you different formulas related with electric current and drift velocity. For this, first we assume a metallic cylinder in which there is two charges. One side is positively charged, another side is negatively charged. Now in this, the electron are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, and the direction of electric field is capital E. Assume the area of this metallic conductor is capital A, and the electron are moving with velocity drift velocity Vd, and in time delta t they move from minus negative terminal to positive terminal. Now first we determine the volume of this conductor. Volume of this conductor is equal to area into Vd delta t. Further, assume the n here, the number of electron per unit volume. So the total number of electron is number of electron per volume multiply with A V D delta t. This is the total number of electron which is present in this metallic conductor. Now our aim is to determine the charge in it. The basic formula of charge, we know that n into E. N represent capital N represent here number of electron, and small e charge on electron. So the value of n put from above equation, we get n E A B D delta t. This is the formula of charge. Now we know that we can write charge as product of I into delta t. We can write charge as electric current into delta t. By putting this, we simplify, we get I equal to n E A B D. This is the formula of electric current. This formula show the relation between electric current and the drift velocity. Further, we can also derive more formula in it by putting that the magnitude of Vd is E tau upon m. By putting in this formula, we get I equal to Ne square E A tau upon m. Now further, we know that current density J is equal to I upon A. So we divide this above equation, we get Ne square E tau upon m. In vector form, we can write this above formula in vector form. We get J equal to Ne square tau E in vector form upon m. So we get a formula in vector form, we denote by A. Now by previous knowledge, we know that J current density is equal to sigma E, where sigma represent conductivity. By comparing A and B equation, we get, by comparing this, we get sigma equal to Ne square tau upon m. This is the relation between conductivity and other quantities. And in next term, sigma is also related with rho. So sigma equal to 1 upon rho. So the rho formula become rho for resistivity. The rho formula become m upon Ne square tau. This formula is also useful. This is all the formula used in different kind of numericals.